Today we're going to unbox the long-awaited Instant Pot. I know everybody's had this, or it's got real popular and a lot of people have it, but I finally got mine and I'm really excited about it. This is the 8-quart one, 7-in-1 Instant Pot. So let's start unboxing. Okay. Probably a little manual. I'll take a look at it later, and then it probably has a warranty in there, so always register your products for their warranty because you never know what's going to happen. So this is how it comes packed inside. Oh God, it's pretty heavy. Okay, yeah, it's pretty heavy. Okay. Okay. So there's a little warning sign regarding when you're opening it, there's steam that comes out, a lot of steam, so you don't want to burn yourself. So let's see, the cord, not too bad, not too long, not too short, probably just the right amount. So let me just unravel this real quick. Just fix my mic real quick. Sorry, it's a bulky mic, but okay. So, not too long, not too short. You see that, and then let's figure out how to open it. Okay, there's the lid. It's telling you to read the packaging and the warranty cards. Warning cards and warning labels. I'll read that right before I use it actually. I just want to unbox it and show you guys what it looks like right now. Little rack. Okay, there's that. This is, I'm assuming a little spatula holder. We'll have to see where it goes. Okay, so here's the actual container. Okay. More warning signs. That's what it looks like inside. Obviously, you're going to want to clean this and rinse it off before you use it. Little rack. Let's see how to use this. Okay. I'm assuming, now this is just the first impression, I'm not really doing much with it, but I'm assuming you just lay it in like this. As you can see here. And then the two little arms are on the side, so it could be easy to pull out when you cook. And let me open up this. So it just gives you information for the website back here, and then email address as well for support and their website. So this is a manual. Initial steps, overview, getting started. So I'll go ahead and read that right before I cook. And then it's letting you know, oh, this is very beneficial. So it's gonna let you know what you can put in the Instant Pot and how long you cook it for. And that would be very helpful. This is the English side, and then it looks like it is the French side. Okay. This is a safety and maintenance warranty. That'll be helpful. And then, I'm not really sure where to put this. See if I can figure it out. Looks like it goes right there. Snaps on right there. Oh, okay. I thought this was gonna be a holder for if you guys have rice cookers, there's usually a little side where you can put your spatula, but this makes more sense. It is just to contain the condensation when it starts cooking and all the steam develops, and then all the water will drop in here. And you'll want to clean this as well and empty this out later. So that's all for the Instant Pot. I'm going to cook with it. Maybe I'll do a demo video later with me cooking with it, but as of right now, this is just the unboxing video, and so far everything feels like a good quality machine, and we'll put it to use and we'll see what happens. If you guys have any questions, just comments below and ask me, and I'll get back to you.